His bell's in there.
Kitty, come here. Oh. He's stuck. Oh, poor baby.
Bad day. Look, Bevo. Come here, baby.
Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come here, kitty, kitty. Come on. Where are you going?
Oh. Bevo, come here.
Oh, and he's trying to play with a mouse.
Come here.
Come on, kitty, kitty. Okay. We gotta let him out before he destroys the house. All right.
He's like a blind cat.